Imagine having an extra 5 hours every week to focus on high-priority tasks, rather than getting bogged down in repetitive and mundane workflows. With the rise of artificial intelligence, AI, this is now a reality for many professionals. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to automate your entire workflow using free AI tools, saving you time and increasing your productivity. First, let's start with the basics. AI-powered tools can automate tasks such as data entry, email management, and even social media scheduling. By leveraging these tools, you can streamline your workflow and focus on more strategic tasks. For example, if you're a marketing professional, you can use AI to analyze customer data, create targeted campaigns, and even generate content. One of the best free AI tools for workflow automation is Zapier. With over 3,000 integrations, Zapier allows you to connect different applications and automate tasks seamlessly. Let's take a look